Someone Charlie here?
Huh?
Someone Charlie here, Mom?
What's that?
Someone Charlie here? My best friend Charlie here?
Your best friend?
Yeah.
Who was your best friend?
Savannah?
Savannah?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, she's going home.
One night?
To her mom tomorrow.
One night?
Yeah. Isn't that fun?
It's Charlie here one night?
Yep.
Tomorrow?
Yeah. Yeah, it's okay. She's gonna see her mom. Isn't you wanna see your mom too? Savannah, her mom is not here. It's in Washington.
I meet her.
Yeah, but it's okay. You'll see her again next summer.
Tomorrow?
Summer.
Tomorrow?
Yeah, it's fine. You'll find another friend next summer.
Who is?
Who is that?
Mom.
Bakit sa gagaling, mother? We're gonna see Savannah next summer. You like that? Let me see.
Next time?
You can put it on top. Cover it. There you go. Cover that. Oh. Oh. Yep. Astig, yep. Ayan, guys. Ayan, blessed day. Happy blessing. Ayan, Chai. Hello, everyone. Yeah, correct ka dyan. Dami natin mumuha. Ayan, pasukan na. So, kita-kita, malapit ang school supplies. So, kailangan trabaho na. Double trabaho, guys. Habang mayroon tayong pagkakakitaan. Ayan, kay Jelana. Mga pagkakataon na ganito, lalo na't malapit ng pasukan. So, itodo na. Diba? Welcome. Say welcome. Oh, what happened to your booba? Yep. Yeah, sulitin na habang mayroon tayong pagkakataong kumita. At yes, pambili ng school supplies, correct. Yeah, dagdag din yan, 'di ba, guys? Anything, small things, great things, dagdag. Basta anong pandagdag pang school supplies. Go na yan. Habang nagtatrabaho si Jelana, naglalaro si Jelana, kumikita tayo. Ayan. You're playing, Jelana. You're helping people. Oo, Des. Laban talaga. Huwag kayong mag-give up, guys. Laban lang. Laban lang sa buhay. Huwag susuko sa buhay. Huwag kayong susuko sa buhay natin, guys. Yeah. Saka always pray. Talagang importante talaga ang prayers, guys. Always pray. Kasi okay. Oh, wow. Let me see what... Whoa! Wow! Oo, kung ano lang yung ano. Basta wag gi-give up sa buhay, guys. Diyos ko. Oh, is that poison?
Yeah,
Oh, only for game, for playing only, don't eat it. That's what it says, Jelana. Diyos mio.